Hi, my name is Sajal Banerjee. I'm a sales professional working at Jindal Saw Limited, and it's been 1 year that I've opted for the CDMM course at Digital Vidya. I would say the journey has been really great in terms of the learning scope, learning new concepts about digital marketing, and I'm extremely pleased and convinced with how things have moved till now. Digital marketing is not just a trending word these days, right? It's something that we all should know. It's actually the need of the hour. And so my personal experience, I would say, is that whenever I work closely with my marketing team, so they come up with these campaigns, these new ideas and concepts. As a sales professional, I'm more into front end, and the maximum duration I spend on travels. So it's very important. I thought of just utilizing and gaining skills what digital marketing actually is, and how I can perform, or I would say promote my products in a better way. So yes, so I thought that it will be extremely helpful for me if I know what digital marketing concepts are. So I came to know about Digital Vidya from my mentor, I would say. I was working with him since last 3-4 years, and he suggested me that Digital Vidya offers courses for digital marketing, and I should opt for the CDMM course, so just to get a brief idea of what these concepts are: social media ads, SEO, some concepts that we hear on day-to-day basis. Oh, incredible. I mean, I got to learn that with such small, or I would say minimum budget, how can you target the right audience? My trainers, my coordinator, Nitesh, Surbhi, and all other trainers have been very supportive. And yes, it's been an incredible journey, and I look forward to utilize all that I've learned in my day-to-day operations. Thank you.